Hey, I've got a brand new trick and a tutorial at the beach. So here we go. Right, so I got a deck of cards, which I'll take. Give some cards. All right, now I'm going to give you an example of how this trick's going to work. I'm going to start dropping some cards, and then I would have you tell me when to stop, okay? So let's just say you say stop here. We find your card, and we move on, okay? Simple enough. All right, so here we go. Anytime you want to say stop. Stop. Okay, so we have a card. So I'll show it to the camera. I don't know what it is. I don't have a mirror. I'm outside. But we'll find it, I'm sure. Okay, so I'll set it, put it on top of the deck, put these cards on top, and now, to even make it harder for me, I'm going to give it a shuffle. In fact, you know what? Let's live dangerously. I'm going to give it 2 shuffles, so it's totally mixed up. All right, now, give it a little bit of magic. Flip the cards over. And now I've got to find your card. I'm going to say your card is the 6 of spades. So that's a pretty good trick. Hope you liked it. All right, so here's how we did it. There is a setup, and it's all spades. So I guarantee you're going to get a spade in this trick every time. Okay, so let's grab them out of here, and then I'll show you exactly how the trick works. It's a great little trick. All right, so we have all the spades. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. They don't have to be in any order. You know, some tricks have ace through king. None of that, just 13 spades, okay? Goes right on top of the deck, okay? Sorry about that airplane. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Okay, so then what I do is I gave some, fake cut, but let's just get into the trick. So basically I give it an example. So I go, all right, I'm going to drop some cards. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm going to find my key card right here, okay? So I just say stop, and then I go like this. I go, all right, so this is how we're going to find your card. And when I do that, I'm actually looking at this 2 of hearts because that's my key card, okay? So now it's on top, okay? So let's explain how it works. Okay, now we're going to actually find you a card. So let's go. Now remember, you only have 13, so you go slow. 1, 2. Anytime you want to say stop. Stop. Okay. So this is the card for the tutorial. It's the 7 of spades. Okay, and then of course my key card is the 2 of hearts, 2 of spades, which is on the bottom now, okay? So that goes on top. My card goes on top of that, okay? So they're right next to each other, but hopefully these shuffles will separate them slightly. A few cards at least would be nice. Don't really want them next to each other, but whoops, don't give it a cut. No cuts, okay? Then we give it a second shuffle. Okay, do a little bit of magic. 2 of spades, 2 of spades, 2 of spades. And then I spread them out like this, and they are right next to each other, but it doesn't matter. Nobody's going to know. It looks like a good deck now. And then you just go through and go, your card is the 7 of spades. You could also do it this way if you don't feel comfortable. You could just go, all right, now I got to find your card, and you just can slide through like this, and you find your 2 of spades, and you know your 7 of spades is right next to it. So either way works, and it's a great little trick. Hope you like the trick and the tutorial as the sun went away. Have a great day, and thank you for your support.